Hi everyone, this is Appliance Fix Lab, your local appliance repair team here in Winnipeg, Manitoba. Today's quick lesson is about how to enter the service mode on a Miele W1 series front load washer model WWF060 and how to view stored error codes such as F62 F104 F16 and F92. To enter service mode, start with the washer switched off and the door open. From the off position, turn the program selector one step back to the normal cycle. On the display you'll see the standard settings for that program. Without closing the door, press and hold the start-stop sensor button. While you keep start held, close the door. Then release the start button and press it 3 times in a row. On the third press, hold the button for about 5 seconds and then release it. If the sequence is done correctly, the service menu appears on the display. From here you can view internal service information, including the fault memory and diagnostic data stored by the washer. Important note: this service mode is intended for training technicians. Incorrect actions in this menu can affect software behavior and program settings, so use it carefully and only when needed. To check stored files, use the up and down arrow buttons to find the faulty memory section in the service menu. Confirm with OK. If there are any stored errors, they will appear as a letter F followed by numbers, just like in our case F62, F104, F16 and F92. Here is a short explanation of these codes. F62 door lock signal timing fault. F104 unbalance detection, the spin was aborted. F16 water inlet flow restriction, the washer is filling too slowly. F92 mains voltage fluctuation or power interruption. All of these entries are classified as operating of temporary faults. If they appear only once, they are usually not critical and simply record what happened under certain conditions. However, if the same code keeps coming back, it can point to real component problem inside the washer, and a qualified technician may be required to diagnose and repair it. Quick, safe and simple, and your Miele W1 washer is back in a known controlled state with the fault memory checked and service mode exited correctly. This educational video is part of our washing machine repair and diagnostics learning series, filmed right here in Winnipeg. Appliance Fix Lab, real cases, real diagnostics, real learning.